Hey Queens, want to slay a Pixie curl wig like a pro? Stick around because I'm about to show you how to get that flawless, bouncy look with zero stress. So this wig has been rewigged and revamped, and now I want to style. I'm spraying in my heat protector and I'm just going on with my plugged hot comb. It's hot, yeah, you can see it's bringing out smoke. But I sprayed my heat protector to prevent my hair from getting burnt. Now I'm just styling from both sides with my hot comb gently. That's what I'm just basically doing here. I am ensuring I am using the hot comb well on my hair and I'm not leaving it too much in the spot so it doesn't burn my closure or damage the lace. So what I'm just basically doing is to make it press very very well, and now I'm just defining the line, trying to create the middle part and detangling the closure at the same time. Guys, you want to be careful when you're doing this so you don't spoil your closure. Don't say, Remy, I watched a video and I spoiled my closure. No, please be very careful when detangling. Hey Queen, so I'm applying my wax stick. My wax stick helped lay down flyaways, add shine, and give my closure a sleek and polished look. I'm just adding it, not so much, just little amount on the hair, and now I'm going in with my heat protector because I don't want anything to happen to my closure, and I'm just laying down flat the wig with the hot comb. That's So I picked up my butterfly shadow and I'm applying my butterfly shadow on my closure. My butterfly shadow gives me the rays I need. You can use your butterfly shadow or your got to be, and you want to make sure you are not so close to the closure when you're applying. So I sprayed it on the closure and I'm using my comb to just spray in the direction I want. You can use any direction you want. Could be C parts, could be bone up, and whatever. So this is what I'm just basically doing, using my comb to give it direction and just prepping. So when I'm done with that, I get my elastic tape and my pin. I put my pin into the tape and I just tape it at the end of the closure. I put another one. I just do it randomly. It's not like there's a particular way of putting it, but make sure you put it on the closure to give you the precision you want, the style you want out of it. That is why you can actually do this twice or three times depending on how far you want the style to go. Having been done after with doing that, I divided my closure still the video of styling my closure. 5x5 closure. And I am doing this because I want my closure to be laid out flat. I do not want a bumpy closure or a closure that is raised at one corner. So I make sure it is very, very flat. I'm applying my wax stick on the hair and I'm using my hot comb straight away because can you see where I'm pressing it like you're pressing Misha? I press it. It's gonna get laid out flat. That is what I'm basically doing, and now I am using the hot comb for the top again, and do not forget we're going to do this on both sides. We are doing this on both sides. This is the second side, and you just do the first thing we did at the first side. which is divide your closure into two. Use your wax stick on it, then follow up with your hair comb, and you are good to go. So I'm applying my mousse for extra hold and extra laying down of the closure. That's it, the essence. I'm applying my mousse. I just like the feel it gives when I use my mousse. Some people use only wax stick, while some people use just mousse, while some people use both. Just use whatever you are comfortable with. I am comfortable with my mousse, and I just use my hot comb immediately. Having been done with the closure styling for this particular rig, I want to define the curves. I want the curves to be more tight compared to how loose it is at the moment. So I'm packing up the first two steps, and I am going to get my mixture. I'm just putting my mixture in the air. My mixture is water conditioner, just whatever makes you feel comfortable, which I am using. This is my lala and my oil. I'm applying it on the hair, and I'll brush with my brush. Just follow these steps and you'll be good. You start from the tip to the root when you're brushing. Please don't start from the root. From the root. Start from the tip, just as I am doing, to make your work very easy. So don't forget to click on the like, subscribe button for more educating content. Now we're done with the styling of the physical, and I'm using this disposable net. This disposable net comes with new wig. When you buy a new wig, it comes with it, or you can buy it from the market. And just do what I am doing to make your curls tighter. Please, if you don't like tighter curls, please don't do this. Just let your curls air dry on its own for some minutes, be it 20 to 30 minutes or 10 minutes. If you don't like tighter curls, Burmese curls, please do not do this. The hair has dried for some minutes, and I want to take the disposable net off now. I'm so excited and anxious to see what it looks like. Okay, so you want to take it off gently so you don't spoil your disposable net, so you can reuse it as long as you want. Wow, this gave me a kind of Burmese curls, exactly what I want. And you can use your hand and comb it out if you want it to be fuller, but I want it to look like this, so the customer can do it by herself, or I might later do it. This is the finished look of the hair, and I love it. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and comment on my video, and try this at home most importantly. Bye. Love you.